Welcome to your Leaf Dermaplaner, an all-new plastic-free skincare tool from Leaf Shave. There are two parts to replace when refilling your tool, a single-edge blade and a blade guard. This is how we turn standard safety razor blades into dermaplaning blades, applying a protective scallop guard in front of the blade's edge. First, you load the blade guard. If you've just unboxed your tool, they come with a blade guard pre-installed, but let's get this going. You simply lay the guard with the scallops facing forward and insert the short bend of the guard directly into the slot on the handle. It will press in firmly, holding with friction. Never use your Leaf Dermaplaner without a blade guard installed. Next, you're going to insert the steel blade. Simply unwrap it from its paper wrapper. Use caution when handling blades. They are sharp. Hold the blade from the flat surface side and not the sharp end. Line it up with the fold in the blade guard and push it forward up against the scallops. The blade must fit tight, so press down on either side of the blade in the back, making sure that it falls down the wall. This is a purposefully tight fit. You can now close the head of your dermaplaner. If it closes completely, you are good to go. If it gets stopped short of fully closed, your blade may not be pushed down enough. Swing the head open again and push on either side of the back of the blade. To remove the blade once you're done dermaplaning, reach behind the blade and wedge it out. The blade is fit tight against that back wall, so use caution when removing it. It'll fight you a little bit. To remove the guard if you're ready to replace it, find a thin object to push through the back slot. I like to use a coin. Here I'm using a key. Now pop it out on both sides until it's free and you can remove the blade guard. If the blade guard is bent or broken in any way, do not reuse the blade guard. We recommend only removing the blade guard when it's time to refill your dermaplaner with a fresh one. And we recommend refilling every 1 to 3 uses or once a month.